identify that what they promote hurts Americans, well, that's insanity. Because there is no common sense to that at all. It's insane. And as you and I said, if Republicans win, look, that's just the draft. They won the draft, they got a position in the new draft, right? We compare it to a draft, of course, right? But you haven't done anything yet. We'll see what you do on this. But still, you're going to have probably 45% of the voters vote for Democrats that are promoting. They will vote against their absolute self-interest when it's never been clear that the policies of the Democrats are causing this. I would only be looking at this current Democratic Party and the incentive that they promote. The only way I'd be happy is if it was 80 to 20, because I know those 20% that identify as liberal are going to vote Democrat no matter what. But I'm not going to be happy, because how can you have a significant power base in this country when you are doing everything to commit economic, energy, and country suicide? And when the effects of policy in place and agenda are all right now being come over and over again. This is why I am confident that it goes past this election season. I don't know how much more. Can't tell. Well, it's going to if they keep doing the same thing. Because reality is different. That's at the basis of it. Tell me what they do differently to get people back. Because we're not going to see deflation. No. We'll see things level out, but we won't see that without a recession. And most analysts believe now it's coming. And I think the Fed kind of shored that up yesterday. Yeah, we're going to do more. It may not be at this level, but we're going to do more. And if it's believed that they need to get, to 5.5, ultimately, well, they got a little bit of room to move in that direction, which means they're going to basically follow through with their promise at the beginning of this year. Which means another cut in December, another increase in December, another increase at the end of January, and 2 more down the road in 2023. 866-90-RED-EYE.
Lines open for your calls. 866-90-RED-EYE on Red Eye Radio. If you like listening to Red Eye on Demand, we have more of Eric Harley and guests for you. Download RER's Extra Mile podcast. More topics and issues discussed.
Diabetes, high blood pressure, anxiety meds, everyone's on them. If you're a 50-year-old male, maybe a bit porky, and you may even have type 2 diabetes, $1 million of term insurance may only cost you about $200 a month. Call Term Provider. Speak with Big Lou at 800-590-7516. Big Lou will find a term life policy for you even if you have type 2 diabetes, are overweight, or have high blood pressure. Term Providers help thousands of people like you who think they can't afford term life insurance to buy $1 million of affordable term life for you. All you need to do is call Big Lou at 800-590-7516. Lou will make sure the scales are tipped in your favor. Call 800-590-7516. Big Lou will answer your call and work to fit you into a term life policy that you can afford. Remember, Big Lou's like you. He's on meds too. Call 800-590-7516. 800-590-7516.
What it takes to maneuver a 600-horsepower truck uphill, through traffic, day in and day out is nothing short of amazing. That's why Axle exists. It's the new unrivaled fuel card designed to help all fleets stay profitable. The Axle Fuel Card provides the credit you need with fast approvals and money back. Sign up for yours today at axlefuelcard.com. Axle Fuel Card keeps fleets on a roll. Subject to credit approval. Terms and conditions apply.
Sponsored by Pilot Flying J.
If you're a trucking industry professional, then you need to stay on top of changing regulations, equipment upgrades, and technology advancements. Fleet Owner Magazine gives you all of this and more. Written for fleet executives and managers, Fleet Owner gives you the business intelligence on operations, vehicle maintenance, regulations, and information technology you need to stay ahead. But that's not all. With its monthly print publication, daily and weekly email newsletters, and a website updated several times a day, Fleet Owner has all the latest news and information delivered to you when you want it and where you want it. From industry experts to award-winning writers and columnists, Fleet Owner is the #1 source for trucking information in North America. Remember to visit fleetowner.com every day for the latest industry news. You can also sign up to receive Newsline, their free email newsletter, and subscribe to Fleet Owner magazine. Visit fleetowner.com. Fleet Owner, for news you can use.
The St. Christopher Truckers Relief Fund is excited to offer our new diabetes prevention program, Driving Down Diabetes. This free, CDC-approved year-long program includes live webinars focusing on nutrition, exercise, stress management, and more. This program is for those at risk not already diagnosed with diabetes. Visit our website at truckersfund.org and take the risk assessment under the Health and Wellness tab. This prevention program is sponsored by Southern Recipe. Get registered today at truckersfund.org.
Is your job recession-proof? Now might be the perfect time to switch careers and become an IT professional with My Computer Career. IT is listed as one of the top recession-proof professions. You can have your dream job in just months, not years. No experience needed. Take classes online or on campus. And financial aid is available to those who qualify, including the GI Bill. Go to mycomputercareer.edu and take the free career evaluation. It's not rocket science. It's mycomputercareer.edu.
If you're in a room with 4 other people, chances are one of you has already been an identity theft victim. 1 in 5. Watching your accounts and credit isn't enough. It can be dangerously easy to steal your identity. LifeLock by Norton makes it easy to help protect yourself. If you become a victim, LifeLock will work to fix it. Nobody can prevent all identity theft, but everyone can save up to 25% on their first year with promo code BECK at lifelock.com. Promo code BECK, save 25% off your first year.
For 170 years,
Since 1852.
women who have received that small blue box from Shreve have looked at it and known
Known for sure.
that they are more precious than diamonds
More valuable than gold.
and very, very special.
Because a blue box from Shreve means that someone is still very much in love.
We believe that someone will be coming soon.
With a box in Shreve blue just for you.
Shreve & Company at 150 Post off Union Square.
In Palo Alto, Shreve is perfectly situated in the Stanford Shopping Center.
Texting enrolls you into recurring automated text messages. Consent not required to purchase. Message and data rates may apply.
Hey, Dan, how you doing? Haven't seen you around the gym.
Yeah, I've really fallen off. Since I turned 40, I just don't get the results I used to get.
Could be lower testosterone. I went through it a while back. I got Nugenix Total T, and it's made a huge difference for me.
I've seen that on TV. Is it for real?
Oh, yeah. The patented key ingredient is something called Testofen, which helps boost free and total testosterone levels to help you trim up and stay lean.
And it's made a difference for you?
Man, I feel like I'm in my 20s again. You're listening in the gym and in the bedroom.
Are they still giving out complimentary bottles for people to try for themselves?
Yeah, you just need to send them a text.
Text TIGER to 321321 right now for your complimentary bottle of Nugenix Total T. Plus, text now and we'll include a bottle of Nugenix Thermal, our most powerful fat incinerator ever to help you get back into shape fast. Absolutely free. Text TIGER 321321. That's TIGER to 321321.
Products and statements have not been evaluated by the FDA. These products are not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease or illness.
One search engine is used by 9 out of 10 consumers. The name begins with a G, and there are hundreds of things that go into being ranked highly by that engine. Your website, your business profile, even your social accounts. A couple of slip-ups and you find yourself on page 7. But at Cumulus Boost, we have the experts and resources to fix what's wrong and boost your findability so you can rank higher than your competition. Get started today at cumulusboost.com. CUMULUS boost.com.
Red Eye Radio, wherever you are with the Red Eye Radio app. Available on Android and iPhone. Download it now from the App Store or by visiting us at redeyeradioshow.com.
Logo is back for 1 week only for the Eden Pure Thunderstorm Air Purifier. You've always wondered if the Eden Pure Thunderstorm Air Purifier works, and this is the best time to find out. With the BOGO, when you buy 1 Thunderstorm, you get 1 free. No matter how many you buy, you get an equal amount free. Buy 2, you get 2 free. Buy 5, you get 5 free. The thunderstorm will completely eliminate any odor, even